everyone, it's Lally again. Welcome back to Tandem English for Kids Crafts. Do you remember this? We made this in our classroom some weeks ago and we made beautiful flowers for our spring theme. And you'll notice that there is a butterfly. Can you see my beautiful butterfly here in the corner? So I'm going to show you how to make one of those today. What you will need are some paints, different colors, whatever colors you want. Here we have bronze, blue, yellow, orange, purple, another purple, green and red. Lots of beautiful colors. You'll need some card, sellotape, scissors, a paintbrush, water, maybe a tissue. Okay? So what we're going to do, we need to take our piece of card and we need to fold it over like this. Oh, that wasn't very good. I'll try that again. That's not very good either. There we go. Okay, so we have a nice folded card. Now what we have to do with this is put some colors on it on one side. Now we can do spots if you like. Let's take the green and we'll do a couple of spots like this. Nice and easy. We'll take an orange. Nice bright colors. I'll use the paintbrush for this one. Let's make a swirl. And maybe a couple of spots as well. Okay, what about purple? Lovely color, purple. I think we'll just do a dot here. Nice. And yellow. Yellow's a lovely spring color, isn't it? So we'll do a couple of stripes with the yellow. And the last one, let's take the blue. And we'll do a couple of spots and a swirl. Okay, so look what I've done. Only on one side. Now what we're going to do while the paint is still wet, das Farbe ist immer noch nass, we're going to fold over. We're going to push down on it like this. Give it a really good thump. And when you're quite finished, we're going to open it up. And there we have a pattern. It's the same on both sides because a butterfly is the same on both sides. Now we have to wait for this to dry. But here's one I made earlier. In fact, I made two. Look at these. So these ones are dry. Now we need to cut the shape of a butterfly. So we need to get our scissors now. Fold over your card again. We're going to go all the way around like this. Look at that! And we have a butterfly. Now we need some pipe cleaners. Where are my pipe cleaners? Just a moment. You have a look at that. I'm going to get my pipe cleaners. So here, I almost forgot, you don't need the pipe cleaners. But here what we do, we fold the pipe cleaners in half. And curl the edges like that. Then we need the sellotape. We can stick them on And there we have our butterfly. What do you think? Do you like it? Now it's your turn. Let's see if you can make a butterfly for our spring scene. Can't wait to see them. Bye!